But boys, the girls are over there. You're playing hard to get, making them come to you. Here they come, all 110 of them. Coming to meet the boys of 2024. They've been over there on the cell. Cody give them. But they decided maybe they'd come and check out what I brought. Interesting time getting acquainted tonight. The bulls of Natural Grandma. Over here we got Roman 12-2, John 15-5. They both come from the Rush farm. Then we have a bull 98 that we raised from an AI conception from Triton, which is the same bull that Roman and John are out of. Roman and John are 3/4 brothers. Yeah, the bull, of course, is just a half brother. And these spring cows tend to have the tendencies of the bigger cows in them, so we brought the shortest bulls for first breeding. And then we'll finish that up with about 3 weeks. We'll bring some taller bulls just to finish up, just so we get a little break. So, Natural Grandma, these other guys are restless. They're wanting to go see the heifer dollies, so I better get on with that. I'm at Linnea's farm now, and I gotta go down to the Bosworth farm where the heifers are. So 6 bulls got moved today. Natural Grandma, we wish she was having this great a day.